Hi, and welcome back to Positively Informative. Today, we're going to be talking about an important topic for pet owners: traveling with dogs. Whether you're planning a road trip, flying to a new destination, or even moving to a new country, traveling with your dog requires careful planning and preparation. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and advice to help you make sure your dog stays safe, happy, and healthy while traveling. First things first. Before you hit the road, it's important to plan ahead. Research pet-friendly accommodations and transportation options, and make sure your dog is up to date on vaccinations and has a microchip. You'll also want to pack essential items like food, water, medication, and bedding to make sure your dog stays comfortable and healthy throughout the trip. Additionally, it's important to consider your dog's temperament and specific needs when planning your trip. For example, if your dog gets anxious in new environments, you might want to book accommodations with a familiar routine or bring along some calming supplements. If you're hitting the road with your dog, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, prepare your car for your dog's comfort and safety. This might mean investing in a dog seatbelt or a crate to keep your dog secure while driving. You'll also want to take regular breaks to allow your dog to stretch their legs and use the bathroom. Make sure to research dog-friendly pit stops along your route ahead of time. And don't forget to pack some toys or treats to keep your dog entertained during the trip. It's also important to keep your dog's safety in mind if you're planning to drive across state or international borders. Check the requirements for pet travel permits or health certificates and make sure you have the necessary documents. If you're flying with your dog, there are some additional considerations to keep in mind. Research airlines' pet policies and requirements before booking your ticket, and choose the right type of carrier for your dog's size and comfort. Some airlines also offer special services like in-cabin pet travel or pet relief areas in airports. You'll also want to make sure your dog is comfortable and calm during the flight, whether that means providing a favorite toy or blanket or speaking to your vet about calming supplements. It's important to note that some dog breeds may not be suitable for air travel, so do your research and consult with your vet before booking your ticket. Finally, if you're traveling internationally with your dog, there are additional steps you'll need to take. This might include researching destination countries' pet import requirements, obtaining necessary documentation and vaccinations, and planning for quarantine or other restrictions if necessary. Make sure you do your research well in advance to avoid any last-minute complications. In some cases, it may be best to hire a professional pet relocation service to ensure that all requirements are met and your dog is comfortable throughout the journey. And there you have it. Some tips and advice to help you travel safely and comfortably with your furry friend. Remember, whether you're planning a road trip or a transatlantic flight, it's important to plan ahead, pack carefully, and prioritize your dog's comfort and safety. Your dog is an important part of your family, and with the right preparation and care, you can enjoy many adventures together. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Positively Informative for more dog-related content.